Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making savory potato patties. It's super easy to make and it's very delicious. To make these, start by grating one small onion and 350 grams of potatoes and set them aside. Then, place the meat in a food processor and chop finely. Next, grab a bunch of coriander leaves, mint leaves, curry leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, a small bark of cinnamon and 3 chillies. Blend them until it becomes a paste and add that into the mixture. Squeeze a lime and add the seasonings. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of pepper and some salt to taste. Mix everything together until the ingredients are well incorporated. Add 1 beaten egg along with flour and breadcrumbs and then mix everything together. Heat some oil in a pan and fry these until golden brown. You can serve these on their own or with scrambled eggs. I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and if you do, then please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell icon next to it. Thank you for watching and I will see you with a brand new video. Bye!